Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 multiple battery charger by Geek. We'll have that coming right up. I'd like to thank the good folks at Geek for supplying me with the DJI Mavic 2 multiple battery charger to test. So with that, let's get to the review. We're going to set up the Geek Intelligent Fast Charger Adapter Manager for the Mavic 2 Pro. Now I want to show you everything that comes with it here. First of all, you have the adapter itself. And one of the nice things about it, there is a built-in cooling fan that you can see right here, which is important. And then you have the 3 cords, plus on here there's 2 USB ports. And now what I'm going to use one of those USB ports for, you could use to charge your tablet or smartphone. And I'm going to use the other USB port to go ahead and charge the remote control for the Mavic 2. Obviously you have your directions. And what's nice is on the end caps of all of the chargers, there's a cap on here, which is real nice. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these caps, and there's 3 of them. Okay, now the instruction manual says to go ahead and plug in the Mavic 2 multiple battery charger first, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Make sure it's good and solid. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in my power strip over here. Now we're going to go ahead and hook up the 3 batteries. Now the batteries that I have right now, they're all at about 3/4 charge. So we're going to time it from the time I start charging it. And let's go ahead and get them hooked up. You can see it's a very easy process here. Just put it in here like this. There's 1. There's 2. And here's 3. And note, all 3 batteries are charging simultaneously on this. Let's go ahead and hook up the USB port to the remote controller to get that charging. And you can see we have this charging as well. So we're going to go ahead and time it here, and we'll come back to it when everything is charged up. Charging is complete on all 3 batteries and also on the remote controller. I did note that it did take about 45 minutes to charge 25% of the batteries. And there you have the Mavic 2 multiple battery charger by Geek. As you can see, it was very easy to set up and to use. One of my favorite features on the charger was it does have a built-in fan to cool the unit down, and after charging 3 batteries and the remote control, it was cool to the touch. This is on Amazon. Geeks has authorized BillTheDroneReviewer to offer a 20% off coupon code good through November the 30th. That coupon code, along with the link to order this, will be in the description, so you definitely want to check that out. Question of the day. What do you think of the DJI Mavic 2 charging hub by Geeks? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content of today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.